Hey guys, welcome back to a new video of a new game. So today we're gonna install REPO, a game that is very famous right now. It's like a horror game, I guess. So we're gonna install it for absolutely free. So first thing you're gonna do is join the Discord that's on the description of this video, and you can see here that there's like some folders with repo, raft, peak, and schedule. So you're gonna go to the repo, you click this link, and you can just click here and download. Now I'm just gonna wait the download completes, and I'm gonna come back. So the download just completed. So you actually gonna need WinRAR to open this folder. So when you have WinRAR, you can just come here, open. Now I'm just gonna go to the desktop because there's where I like to put my stuff. But first, you're just gonna go here and search antivirus. You're gonna go to the second option and turn off this. So I don't know if you guys know, but this is a cracked game, of course. So it uses cracked DLLs. So sometimes the antivirus can give false positives and it deletes your files, the files that are in this folder. So the game can't run without some of those files that the antivirus thinks that are some virus. So I'm just gonna go here and just drag this to my desktop. So as you can see, now I have this folder. I'm just gonna go here on repo, and you can just click on the repo launcher and execute. You can go click OK, close this, just wait a little bit. As you can see, it's entering on the game. You can actually play this with friends too, like online. So I'm just gonna, I think, yeah. So I'm just gonna create a new game, and I'm gonna invite my friend. So I'm just gonna wait for my friend to join the game, but I'm just gonna say something first. For your friend to play this game with you, you gotta have the cracked version. So you gotta install the same game from this tutorial. You gotta do the same thing as you doing right now for you to be able to play together with him. So yeah, I'm just gonna come back when my friend is on the lobby, cause I think it's gonna take a while. So yeah, be right back. So my friend just joined it right now. So as you can see, so I'm just gonna start the game. So as you can see, you can actually play with friends for absolutely free. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and if you guys want some more games, you can join the Discord and ask for a few more. But yeah,